Deci, welcome boys! Astăzi vom juca Sister Location. V-am promis că o să fac clip cu Sister Location, Sister Fruitation, dar nu știu cum pot să fac, adică mă uit la extras. Bun, și avem pe aici Making Baby. Wait, tocmai i-a băgat... Wait, i-a făcut... Nu contează. Mă, deci... Da, așa. Deci gândește-te că așa arătau înainte să arate așa. Deci voi vedeți că ăsta arăta înainte de Bonbon și acum arată așa. Making Baby. Ea arată la fel. Uite, vedeți cum era așa înainte și acum era acum. Dar arată la fel, lol. Making Fox. Eu bă, nu l-am văzut. Uite, așa arată înainte și așa arată acum. Blueprint.
Exotic butters.
Ok, mulțumesc. Dar... Deci... Da. Hai să... începem.
Daddy, why won't you let me play with her?
Cu cine? Circus Baby? Look around. Ok.
Welcome to the first day of your exciting new career. Whether you were approached at a job fair, read our ad in screws, bolts, and hairpins, or if this is the result of a dare, we welcome you. I will be your personal guide to help you get started.
Okay.
I'm a Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me Hand Unit.
Okay.
Your new career promises challenge, intrigue, and endless janitorial opportunities. Please enter your name as seen above the keypad. This cannot be changed later, so please be careful.
A. N. T. O.
It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. One moment.
Ok.
Welcome, Ex-Benedict.
Ce mă? Mă! Eu am pus... Bă, eu am pus Anto. Cum adică Ex-Benedicts? Ok, îmi cer scuze pentru ce am zis. E horror. Să ce să dau un volum un pic mai încet. Noaptea 1. Ok.
You can now open the elevator using that bright, red, and obvious button.
Care e asta?
Let's get to work.
Gata. Bă, eu nu mă duc acolo nici... Bă, nu că am claustrofobia, eu am talasofobia, adică frică de ocean. Dar, bă, pot să plec? Nu. Get to work. Let's get to work. Apăs pe vent? Ok.
Allow me to fill this somewhat frightening silence with some light-hearted banter. Due to the massive success and even more so the unfortunate closing of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage was set, no pun intended, for another contender in children's entertainment. Unlike most entertainment venues, our robotic entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day, and it's your job to get the robots back in proper working order before the following morning.
Ok.
You are now in the primary control module. It's actually a crawl space between the two front showrooms. Now, let's get started with your daily tasks. View the window to your left. This is the Ballora Gallery Party Room and Dance Studio, encouraging kids to get fit and enjoy pizza. Let's turn on the light and see if Ballora is on stage. Press the blue button on the elevated keypad to your left.
Ok. Bă, mă, voi vedeți că chestiile alea își închid ochii. O să pun un cerc pe ecran. Fix unde mă uit eu acum. Nu e nimeni acolo.
Uh-oh. It looks like Ballora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step.
Bine, dar asta nu-l afectează. Nu afectează, pardon. Gata.
Let's check the light again.
Gata. Ce sunt alea?
Excellent. Ballora is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to perform again tomorrow.
Mâine!
View the window to your right.
Ok.
This is the Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share. Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to.
Nu-i nimeni acolo.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off. Let's motivate Funtime Foxy with a controlled shock.
Ok. Mă, ăsta nu reveni.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Să dau sunetul mai ce să-mi bag ceva în ea. Gata, ia uite-l.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the Circus Gallery control module.
Bă, nu intru acolo nici mort. Bine, intru. Păi, horror. Crawl faster, ce înseamnă aia? Fac zgomot, nu vreau.
Motion trigger. Circus Gallery vent.
Crawl faster cred că aduce un animatronic sau ceva.
On the other side of the glass is Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's check the light and see what Baby is up to.
Ok. Unde e?
Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to cheer up with a controlled shock.
Mă, asta nu revine.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Ok. Mă, asta nu mai vine.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Mă, mi-a repetat asta de 50 de ori. Oh, nu.
Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you.
Ce?
Conclude your duties for your first night on the job. We don't want you to leave overwhelmed. Otherwise, you might not come back. Please leave using the vent behind you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Ok. Momentan suntem 7 minute. 8 minute aproape. Fugi.
Motion trigger. Circus Gallery vent.
Fugi. Fugi, fugi, fugi. Doamne ajută, shift completed. Enjoy some time at home.
Another day, another dramatic entry in the lives of Vlad and
Mânc
his distressed
popcorn.
mistress. Where will they go? What will they do?
Spamează popcornul.
More happening now.
Clara, I tell you, the baby isn't mine.
How did I tell you that it is? You're the only vampire I've ever loved. And the baby turns his bottles into powdered milk.
That doesn't mean anything.
He sleeps on the ceiling fan.
Upright or upside down?
What does it matter? You need to be part of your son's life.
I'm an old man, Clara. I can't see your father.
Nu contează.
Then at least pay your child support, you deadbeat.
Child support!
Distressed
There is no...
mistress
Ok, m-am speriat de chestia aia.
next time.
Tune in the next time. Gata, s-a terminat.
Daddy, you let the other children go see her. Why won't you let me go?
Pe cine? Pe Circus Baby? Oh, nu, ne-am întors la
For
noapte!
another night of intellectual stimulation, pivotal career choices, and self-reflection on past mistakes. We're committed to creating a unique and fulfilling work experience. One part of that commitment is ensuring that you don't get tired of the voice that you're hearing right now. Using the keypad below. It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will autocorrect it for you.
Bine.
Thank you for choosing Angsty Teen.
Cine... Ce e ăla? Ce nume e ăla? De ce trebuie să fiu aici? Bă, se aude. Deci se aude ceva. Bă, suntem de-abia 10 minute. Mai trebuie să mai stau încă 20 de minute. Așa că o întrebare. Clipul ăsta cred că fac 15 minute și gata.
The elevator stopped. You know the routine.
Da.
Get out now. So, funny story. A dead body was found in this vent once.
Ce?
Okay, so not that funny, but it's a story.
Mă, de horror că te plui pe aici, că... Deci, fii atent. Minutul... Deci, o să fac... Ok, de data asta vă zic serios. O să fac 2 clipuri.
With your nightly chores, you should check on Ballora and make sure she's on her stage, but whatever.
De control-șoc.
Huh. I guess Ballora has better things to do. Let's zap her. That should be fun.
Ești nebun. Dă-i. Bă, nu mă joc. Deci, vă zic, nu mă joc. Bă, deci, serios, eu nu mă joc. Serios, nu mă joc.
Let's check on Funtime Foxy. Make sure he's ready for showtime tomorrow.
E băiat? Mă, și ăsta aproape. Ce? Great? Să ce?
There seems to have been a problem with the voice synthesizer. Default settings have been restored. Please proceed through the vent ahead of you to Circus Baby's auditorium.
Nu am dat control șoc! E capul meu. Ok.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
Deci vă zic ceva.
Circus Baby had a busy day today. Let's check the light and make sure she's in proper working order.
Dar nu e! Unde e? Unde e?
Oh, Circus Baby, we aren't here to play hide and seek. Let's encourage Baby to come out of hiding with a controlled shock.
What the fuck? Bă,
Let's try another controlled shock.
alo? Nu mere.
There seems to be a power malfunction that is affecting our ability to properly motivate Baby. Please stand by while I reboot the system. I will be offline momentarily during this process. Various other systems may be offline as well, such as security doors, vent locks, and oxygen. Commencing system restart.
Nu mă joc. Nu mă joc. Deci nu mă joc.
Motion trigger. Entryway vent. Funtime auditorium maintenance vent opened.
Ce?
Ballora gallery maintenance vent opened.
Ce?
Motion trigger. Technician control.
Bă, mi-e frică.
I don't recognize you. You are new.
Cine vorbește?
I remember this scenario. However, it's a strange thing to want to do, to come here. I'm curious what events would lead a person to want to spend their nights in a place like this, willingly. Maybe curiosity, maybe ignorance. There is a space under the desk. Someone before you crafted it into a hiding place, and it worked for him. I recommend that you hurry, though. You will be safe there. Just try not to make eye contact. It will be over soon. They will lose interest.
Da, data viitoare, boys, asta e data viitoare.